Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Oh yes, it's corner bookmark time again, and today we're making Baby Yoda. Come on, let's take a look and see how he's made. So gather your supplies. You will basically need paper in Yoda colours. I've got some grey, some brownish and some green. Use whatever green you can get hold of. It really doesn't matter. I'm going to use this light green, but a normal green would work as well. The first thing we're going to do is make the baby carrier. I'm going to use a square piece of paper. This is roughly, let's have a look, 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters, and we're going to make the basic corner bookmark. Bring one side up to make a triangle. I haven't actually perfectly cut mine, but that's okay. Bring a corner up. And repeat with the other side. Open, fold one down, bring this up and tuck it in. Bring this corner up and tuck it in. And you have your basic corner bookmark in grey. Now we want to turn this into a circle. I'm going to use a tin. With these measurements, it happens to work out just right. I think the tin might be a bit smaller actually. So I'm going to just only roughly use it. I'm going to draw a little bit further out of it. And also, check this out, it's overlapping the edges. This is really important, okay? Otherwise your bookmark will fall apart. So I'm just going to use it as a rough guide. So I'm going to draw outside my lines, just so I've got a rough guide, and visually it will still look like a circle even though it isn't really. So very important, this is closed. We're not going to cut this bit, okay? Very, very important. The amount of time people cut that and then say their bookmark is broken is quite significant. So cut the sides off. And here. And again here. And then just sort of round it a little bit so it doesn't look like it's such an edge. Okay, now it's really a question of choice. Some people prefer to put Baby Yoda on this half and then you've got this side as your bookmark, but I like seeing Baby Yoda, so I'm just going to reverse it a little bit, or even if you want, you can decorate this side of your bookmark. It's really up to you. In fact, let's decorate this side because then we've got some nice, neat lines. First thing I want to do is draw some lines across it. So I'm just going to find the center, which is about here. This is just going to be where our Yoda, Baby Yoda, will be sitting. I've got some little buttons. Go right up to the edge. And the same on this side. And then just to give the semblance of a circle, you can just follow the line. And this is where Baby Yoda is going to sit inside. If you want, you can even add some little knobs to the side, but you know, I don't think that's necessary. We're going to focus on little Yoda now. So let's have a little, let's cut out our shapes. So we've got the Baby Mobile, and then we're going to cut out our Baby Yoda shapes. Baby Yoda has to fit in here, so I need to have a face that's an oval and fits in there. So let's have a look. Let's see, I think that looks like it might work. I think that will do. We'll give him, oh, maybe a little bit smaller actually, just so there's space for everything. So Baby Yoda himself is actually quite small. There we go. One. Then we're going to need 2 ears. I'm going to fold this in half so we can cut 2 out at the same time. Now Baby Yoda's ears are a bit like a teardrop, but with a flat bit at the top. and a kind of rounded bit at the bottom. So I'm going to cut up and then maybe flatten it a little bit. Let's see if this looks like a Baby Yoda. Maybe a little bit too big. That's okay. It's always good to just keep checking back and making sure you're happy with what you're making. And it's okay to adjust. I think that's a good Baby Yoda. Look at that, it's already looking so cute. One last thing Baby Yoda needs, it's a part of his kind of cloak or jumper. It's not huge. As mentioned, this is quite a small Baby Yoda. Cut a little bit more off. Like that. I think that works really well. And one more thing actually, I decided that this Yoda is going to have his little paws or hands sticking out. You can do the 2 fingers if you want, or just 2 circles. I'm just going to do 2 circles. And he's going to be holding on like that. Here we go. So we've got our shapes, our Yoda head, our Yoda ears, and our Yoda hands. So I'm just now going to have to draw his face. Now, Baby Yoda has super big eyes that kind of are oval with a pointy bit on the inside. And then a little shiny bit in the corner. And the same on this side. Kind of alien eyes actually, aren't they? A little shiny bit. Maybe make this one a little bit bigger. It's got a cute little nose. And quite often he's actually looking a little bit sad. I don't think he is sad, it's just his facial expression. Now the ear, I'm going to take a line and I'm just going to draw it. Going down that way. And the same on this side. There we go. Now if you wanted to, you could use some pink and maybe add some pink to the ear. Just going to keep it simple and leave the ears as it is. There we go. Now we need to glue it all together. I'm going to, let's see, we're going to have to fit it. Actually, you know what? I'm going to glue it all together here and then we can place it perfectly into the center. So I'm going to start with the ear, put a little bit on the back, and we can add some more once we're gluing it down. He's so cute. Here's Baby Yoda. And then just draw on the back, glue on the back. This keeps coming off because it needs a bit more glue. I got that a little bit dirty, so I'm just going to do another one, same size. Sometimes when you get glue on your fingers, it makes everything a little bit dirty, so you have to be careful. And then the last bit, his little paws sticking out, like little hands. There you go. We have our Baby Yoda Corner Bookmark in his little carry cot. Isn't that adorable? Now, as per usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.